I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW X5 rear wiper blade. Full guide. Remove the old blade by lifting the arm and pressing the release tab, then slide the blade off the hook. Clean the glass and check the arm for damage. Align the new blade with the hook, slide until it clicks, then lower the arm gently. Test the wiper to confirm full, quiet contact across the glass. Start by gathering a new rear blade, a small flat tool, gloves, and a towel to protect the glass. Disable the wiper circuit by ensuring the switch is off and the wiper is parked. Lift the arm carefully and support it to avoid snapping it down. Use the pry tool to depress the release tab and slide the old blade off. Inspect the connector for wear before fitting the new blade. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading while waiting during parts shipping or breaks. It fits in a glove box and keeps you entertained. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With the arm lifted and supported, press the release tab and slide the old blade off the hook in a straight motion. Clean the mounting area and check for rust or bent components. Position the new blade so the adapter aligns with the hook, push until it clicks, and verify the clip is secure. Lower the arm slowly onto the glass and operate the wiper to ensure smooth, full coverage, and quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.